Hello, cookbook friends. This is Carrie, and I'm reading a cookbook by friends today. This is Food Between Friends. It's Jesse, Tyler Ferguson, and Julie Tanous, and they seem like they're super having fun. I just checked out some YouTube videos with them. This came out this year, March 2021. Starts off colorful. Let me see what it says on the flyleaf here. I'm going to need, for this tiny font, my reading glasses. Modern Family star Jesse Tyler Ferguson and chef Julie Tanous love to cook together. They love it so much they founded a blog and have now put all their favorite recipes into a cookbook for you to dig in with the people you love. In Food Between Friends, they cook up delightful food, spiced with fun stories pulled right from their platonic marriage, drawing inspiration from the regional foods of the South and Southwest that they grew up with. They put smart twists on childhood favorites. Okay. Food Between Friends. Very colorful. It's Clarkson Potter, one of our favorite publishers. Photographs by Eva Kolenko. For Josephine, Henry, and Beckett, to whom we lovingly pass these recipes along. Let's check out the table of contents. It starts off with brunch, not just a Sunday thing. And then it goes to ain't nobody here but us chickens. Beef with a little pork and lamb. An entire few pages on sopapillas, very important. Then we're going to go gone fishing, Meatless Mondays, but for every day of the week. Taco break, I love it. Serve with, and then biscuits, an entire chapter on biscuits, thank you. And then sweet things, and then starters, drinks, and drinks. And then the last chapter is called You Deserve Butter. I love it. You guys, you have to meet my friend. Here's the introduction. Jesse starts off first. And then Julie has something to say. Apparently she taught him how to cook. I'm going to go back and read this introduction to myself later when I'm not on camera. Kitchen essentials that they're recommending is thermometers, microplane, mandolin, garlic press, citrus juicer. I have all of these. Mortar and pestle, I don't have. Offset spatula, yes. Cooling racks, I have one. A good blender. I have a blender. A stand mixer. Yes. A Dutch oven. Yes. And one last thing. Salt. Apparently salt is very important. All right. Brunch. Can we please start a petition to make brunch the new most important meal of the day, they write. Ooh, green shakshuka. I love shakshuka. I don't think I've had green before. Starting off, first recipe of the book, blue cornmeal pancakes. I just wish they looked blue because that would be fun. And I've used blue cornmeal and it doesn't make them blue. Little grits soufflés. Oh, I'm loving this so far and I'm only a couple recipes in. Deep dish chorizo quiche. I would have to use vegetarian chorizo, but that looks beautiful. Whoa, what are these? Sweet and sticky orange cardamom rolls. Yum. Okay, I'm going to have to not show you all of the book. That's not fair to the authors, but look, it's green shakshuka. Buckwheat waffles. Okay, I'm not too excited about that. Christmas chilaquiles. All right. So you can tell this is a library book. I'm going to have to go buy it because I want to make Christmas chilaquiles super bad, and I'll also make them on New Year's Day when we're hungover. Potato parsnip hashkis. This is a fun cookbook, and these pictures are gorgeous. All right, ain't nobody here but us chickens. I will go through this faster because I'm vegetarian. Fried chicken. Obviously, it's finger-licking good. Grilled chicken and romaine. Alabama white barbecue sauce. Ooh, are you giving someone's grandma's secret recipe away? That's pretty cool. Tarragon chicken. I should make that for my boyfriend. Chicken and dumplings. I have made it for my boyfriend based on a YouTube recipe. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. There you go. Green chile chicken enchilada pie. How good would that be? Hatch green chile sauce, New Mexican red chile sauce. Excuse me. Braised chicken thighs. Sorghum butter spatchcocked chicken. Okay, we can get out of the chicken chapter. I showed you enough. Honey garlic grilled chicken. Baked chicken tenders. Now we're in the beef, pork, and lamb chapter, which I'll go through quickly. Lamb meatballs, beautiful presentation on the plate. Crispy pork loin. Fennel rubbed spare ribs. Fennel tastes too much like licorice. A ribeye steak. Beef tenderloin. Okay, now we're on the sopapillas chapter. I'm sure they're writing about why sopapillas are so important to them. Breakfast sopapillas. Sopapillas with powdered sugar. Now we're in the gone fishing chapter, which I will also zoom through as a vegetarian. Blackened fish sandwich. Oh, cute kid alert. Okay. Crispy skin salmon. Crab linguine. Gulf Coast grouper and grits. Ooh, there is a southern influence here. And these photographs are blowing me away. They're gorgeous. And I love the colorful backdrops that they laid them on. Salmon patties. Grilled swordfish, seafood gumbo, citrus baked fish. Okay, Meatless Mondays. This is going to be my favorite part of the book because I can eat anything in here. Asparagus and leek galette, but no picture. Miso polenta. Here is cheddar cornbread and Pop's pinto beans and cheddar cornbread. Cheesy cauliflower enchiladas. I have cauliflower in the house right now. Now, am I making my own enchilada sauce? Yes, look at all these ingredients that you need for... That's a lot of ingredients. Did I just see... 85-minute mole. Not in my house. Don't have the time. Coconut curry. Tomato confit pasta. Ooh, ratatouille. I don't think I've ever made ratatouille. I've eaten it when other people made it. Graham's corn chowder. Here's the taco break section of the book. Ground beef and pickle tacos, pulled chicken tacos, beer battered catfish tacos. That's almost like fish and chips. And making your own tartar sauce. And here's the serve with chapter. Is that sides? Roasted cauliflower with fried capers and pine nut gremolata. Caramelized green beans. Do that on Thanksgiving instead of green bean casserole, please. Okay, charred Brussels sprouts, roasted and smashed sweet potatoes. This is basically the Thanksgiving chapter. South by Southwest spoon bread. I love making spoon bread, and I grew up in San Diego, and we had spoon bread for Thanksgiving every year, and then I moved up to Seattle, and people were like, "What's spoon bread? Are you serious?" Chermoula roasted broccolini. Nice and healthy. Hatch green Chile mac and cheese. Yum, I would totally make that. And I'm tempted to make it tonight now. SSSS creamed collards. Not sure what that is. A fiber-packed lottery ticket that happens to be made with cream, they wrote. Braised turnip greens. Okay. Spring pea soup, butterbean and cauliflower soup. Wow. Crispy cracklins. Fried green tomato salad. Did we just change chapters? I think we did. I don't care. That's fine. We're almost done. I love olive salad. I feel like olives are polarizing. You either love them or no. Grilled cabbage coleslaw. I don't care for coleslaw. I call it cold slop, but that is a beautiful photo, and those of you that like coleslaw, have fun eating it. Biscuits by Julie. Oh, she's cute. Buttermilk biscuits. I would make them the night before, but I'm not going to get early in the morning and make them. Sorry, boyfriend. And here's the sweet things chapter. Double crust rosemary peach pie. Ooh, yum. Old-fashioned yellow cake. I usually make my yellow cake with a box mix. Confession time. Fudge brownies. Biscochito cookie bars. Not your church lady's strawberry semifreddo. Pimento cheese and green chili roll-ups. Wait, did we get into a different chapter? Oh, excuse me. Starters and drinks. And you have the roll-ups with, I'm guessing, a margarita? Albuquerque hush puppies. Yum. So what makes them Albuquerque? Canola oil, yellow cornmeal, flour, baking powder, kosher salt, black pepper, sugar, garlic, egg, buttermilk, onion, Hatch green chiles, and butter and crystal hot honey. That's what makes them Albuquerque. Eggplant chips. What? Yum. I mean, it's fried. We all love fried stuff. Basil and mint watermelon agua fresca. Southern sweet tea. No, thank you. Cherry limeade. Is that vodka? Agave syrup, water, ginger, lime juice, soda water, maraschino cherries, and vodka. Yes. You deserve butter. This is a very cool cookbook. I think I'm going to have to pick it up and own it forever. I will dedicate shelf space, but that means I'll have to get another bookshelf eventually. Anyway, Nice to have you here watching with me. I'm sure you're also a cookbook shopaholic like I am. You can see more of our cookbook reviews on YouTube at the Cookbook Divas channel. We have a Cookbook Divas podcast. We have a blog where we write about upcoming cookbooks and vintage ones. We're also on Facebook and on Instagram if you want to find us over there. Be sure to click like and comment. Bye.